Hi, in this demonstration I have actually wired 3 NEMA 14 stepper motors with 3 easy stepper drivers that I got on eBay for like $3 a piece, a 12-volt fan that I jacked from a computer, and an Arduino UNO. And here I have created a 3-axis controller driver box for a 3-axis CNC mill. Something I've always really wanted to do was to have a little desktop CNC mill to mill out little brackets or whatnot. Here we see that we have, shoot, we can't really see that well, but we do have voltage in, ground, and an analog line all running into these components here, along with the digital inputs 2 through 7 running the stepper motor drivers. Like I said before, I got these for like $3 on eBay, and I think, and here it comes with, it doesn't come with it actually, you can download this from the GitHub website, this sample CNC file and the GRBL emulator program that runs with their hex files flashed onto this. Let's see if I press begin. Oops. Let me see here. The lag actually takes a little while. The little red dot is supposed to indicate where the movement is happening. Right now the Z-axis is moving. I have them actually labeled X here. You can't really see it too well. I have them labeled X, Y, and Z respectively. Z is is supposed to be the spindle for the Dremel head, or the third axis, if you will. And there's a lot of stuff I have to iron out right now. Now those are actually just steering the X and Y axis of the CNC machine itself. This will all, of course, be in a case design. If you actually look at it, you can see the red dot moving along the toolpath. There is some lag or some kind of interruption between the hardware and software, which I have to figure out. That, and there's also appears to be a heating issue. I think I might have to get some heat sinks created for this. But you can still see X is making its quick movement, Y is making a slightly slower movement as it emulates its travel across this diagonal motion. I hope this doesn't burn out while I'm showing you guys this, because it felt pretty hot last time I touched it, even though I have this fan on it. But I mean, I guess it works better if it's enclosed. Let's see, you can see right here it's actually turning straight in one linear direction, in the X direction. And then see, as it hit the curve, Y kicks in. Thank you for watching this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.